Hello and welcome to my channel. My shower was a bit messy with toiletries lying all around on the floor and it was very unpleasant to watch that. I was looking for some solutions so that I can better organize my shower and I came across this product from Temu. It's a 5-piece shower caddy. It has 2 corner shelves which I can use to put my toiletries on. There are 2 soap holders and 1 brush holder. There are also 4 removable hooks that I can use to hang my loofah, brushes or anything like that. The best thing is that there is no drilling needed, which means I can just stick on the hooks and easily install the shower caddy. Also, it's very easy to remove when not needed. It comes at a very affordable price, just for $10, but this product looks stylish and it's space saving. Let's see how it looks like in my shower. If you are also looking for such solution, I have shared the link in the description box below, so do check it out. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you again with the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.